Hello and welcome to the Travel Enthusiast channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing a Boohoo order that I ordered from online. I'm so excited to open this because I haven't actually ordered anything from Boohoo for ages. I've ordered things from like New Look and ASOS and H&M, so this is kind of something different, I guess, for a change. Okay, so here we go. Right. Okay, so this is the first time I'm actually filming an unboxing with my tripod. So this should be fun, really. Okay, I can actually open it. See, like, if I didn't have my tripod, I would be doing this off camera, so I guess enjoy it. Enjoy me doing this right now. Okay, so, in no particular order, I'm just gonna grab it. Okay. So first are these lace-up running trainers, size 8, navy, and they were only £8.40. So they're actually quite nice. I mean, they're pretty basic, but I just wanted to buy trainers, a pair of trainers that I could just wear like every day. Do you know what I mean? Like, just throw them on and just wear them. Okay, so these are tried on. They're actually okay. They look nice, but they don't really fit. They're a bit tight, so I'm not really sure. Next are these mid-blue skinny fit jeans with raw waistband, medium black, £9. Okay, so these are the jeans tried on. It's quite nice. Next are these lightweight drop crotch joggers, size medium, black, 1440. Okay, so these are tried on. They're really big, like on the stomach. So I think I might take them back. Next are these slim fit side panel tricot jogger, medium, colour is cobalt, £6. These are quite nice actually. They fit okay. Next is this basic lightweight hooded Pacamac, size medium, colour navy, £6. Okay, so this is it on. It's kind of like a Raymac basically. Next is this distressed bleach wash denim jacket, size medium, colour grey, £20. Okay, this is tried on. I think I really like it actually. I don't know, I'll probably have it undone and done up. I'll try it both and see when I wear it. Next is oversized mid-blue western denim jacket, size medium, mid-blue, £15. Okay, so this is tried on. It's actually really nice. Like, I don't think I was gonna like it because it was oversized, but it's actually really nice. Next is this long line hooded jersey cardigan, size medium, black, £12. Okay, and this is the long line jumper. It's actually so comfy. It feels so good, and it's got pockets as well. Next is this over the head hoodie with sleeve, floral embroidery, size medium, black, £9. What a way to start ending the haul. This is so comfy. I like that. Like, I don't normally go for things like that, but I thought I might as well. You think it's just a hoodie, but then like it has that. Next is this oversized over the head hoodie, size medium, grey, £9.60. Last but not least. Okay, and this is what it looks like tried on, which is massive, but it's comfy, and comfort is the main thing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please get a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Thank you.